Yes, Jai Gurudev children. Beta, in last class we had completed till exercise 3.5. Okay. Now today onwards we are going to start exercise 3.6. In this exercise what we have to do? We have to question number first one is simple. You will solve this question in your book. I am not going to do solve this question. See that what is the question? Fill up the factors 3 given here and write down the prime factorization for each. Okay, you have to given question 30 factor what can be 15 into 2. Further for 2 it will remain as same. Okay, 15 can be factorized further, it can be 3 into 5 and this 2 will remain as same. So what can be the final, if we will write the finally factors of 30, what it can be? 3 into 5 into 2. 3 into 5 into 2. Here it should be 2. Okay, then it will be 3 5 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. For 48, this whatever it coming here na, that will be the final factorization. So you will complete this question yourself, because this you have learned in earlier classes also. Prime factorization also you have learned in earlier classes, but here again I am going to repeat that. What is that? See that in 525 is there. Okay, so I am going to do factorization of 525. Everybody knows the prime factorization. See that how I will do. Here 5 in the last, so by the divisibility I can see that it can be divisible by 5. Okay, see that 5 1 ja 5. If you are not able to do directly division here, then you just perform firstly division in 525 in rough column, and that whatever quotient is coming then write it here. Okay, but don't do the wrong, because now from the 4th class continuously you are learning prime factorization and still many children are doing wrong. So it is very simple beta. So next in 2 we have to make division. So 5 in 5 table 2 is not coming, so you have to put 0. Okay, then it will, next number will come 25. 5 5 ja 25. Maybe everybody of you are getting it now. 5 2 ja 10 and 5 1 ja 5. Further you can see that 3 7 ja 21 and 3 1 ja 3. Okay, see that now what can be the prime factorization of 525? 525 is equal to 5 into, here 3 7 7 1 ja 7, here it comes 7. 5 into 5 into 3 into 7. So only this much you have to do. Neither you have to find right now HCF or LCM. Only prime factorization you have to do. Okay, one more question I am going to do that. What is? See that 230 is given. So do the prime factorization of 230. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 or 2 5 ja 10. Okay, then by 1 in 7. Okay, it will be divisible by, just see that by which number it can be divisible. Now see that by 3 it can not by 3, it can be divisible by 5. See that how 5 2 ja 10, 1 will be come as remainder, then you will bring down 5, it will become 15 and 5 3 ja 15. Okay, then finally by 23 1 ja 23. So 230, how it can be written? 230 is the multiplication of all these factors. What is the meaning of prime factorization? Okay, first of all you will write that the prime numbers. How? What are the prime numbers? In last topic I taught you the prime numbers. Okay, means other than those numbers you cannot do the division. I am writing here prime numbers also. You just see there prime numbers. Prime numbers, okay, are what is the prime numbers? 2 3 5 7 Okay, 9 is not a prime number. Still many children makes that mistake. Okay, they are always making mistake. 7, after 7 what can be the prime number? 11, then 13, 15 is not a prime number. 17, 19, after 19, 21 is not a prime number. 9 I have written by mistake. 19, okay, comma, then 23, 29 and so on. Okay, further prime numbers I taught you in the last topic, so go through that. Okay, now see that 230 is equal to, it means what we would like to 230, if we will multiply all these numbers then we will get 230. See that 2 into 5 into 23, these are the prime factors of 230. Now see that 305 and 256, C and D are small numbers, you can find them. Now I am going through the E part. Okay, I am going through the E part. And what is E part? See that 9,000. For 9,000 I have to find the prime factorization. Okay, how I will do? See here, 9,000 divided by 2, 2 4 ja 8, then 1 will come, 2 5 ja 10, 0 0. Further by 2, 2 2 ja 4. Okay, then 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10 or 0. Still by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 or 2 5 ja 10. Now by 3 it can be divisible, because you know that the sum 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9. It means it can be divisible by 3, because sum is coming equal to 9. Whether it will be divisible by 9 also, but 9 is not a prime number. You can see now I have written prime numbers here. Okay, so next number is 3. Then by 3 we can divide. 3 3 ja 9. Then it will become 2, 22, 3 7 ja 21 or 3 5 ja 15. Again by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6 or 3 5 ja 15. Okay, now it will not be divisible by 3. Then by which number it can be divisible? 5. 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. Finally by the 5 again, 5 5 ja 25, then again by 5 1 ja 5. Okay, now you can see that what can be the prime numbers. Okay, for 9,000, so you will write 9,000 can be written as the multiplication of which number? 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. It will be your answer. Okay, see that now beta, next number I am taking 2907. Okay, and how I will do it? See that can be divisible only by, see that, check it by the divisibility test, by which number it can be divisible. 9 plus 7 16 plus 2 18. It means it will be divisible by 2 also. Not by 2 it will be divisible. Why it will not be? Whether the sum of the digit is coming 18, but this will not be divisible by 2 because the last number is not even number. So by which number next it can be divisible? By 3. Okay, see that now. 2907. Check it by 3. 3 9 ja 27. 2 will remainder. 20 it will become. Okay, 3 6 ja 18. Then 2. And 3 9 ja 27. Okay, again by 3 it will be divisible. 3 3 ja 9, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Okay, now see that. Now see that with the 323 is coming, and this 323 is not division by any other prime number. It will be directly divisible by next number is 17. If you will divide it by 17, your 19 times it will be divided. 19 itself is a prime number, so you divide it by 19. 19 1 ja 19. Okay, so 2907. So you have to check by all these prime numbers by which number it can be divisible. Okay, 2907 is equal to 3 into 3 into 17 into 19. It will be your answer. Okay, 4 part I have done. Okay, how many parts are there? See that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, see that now 732 is a simple part. H part also I am doing. See that now H part. Okay, H part how you will do? 8 7 1 2. I am directly writing it here as, see that even number is there, so first prime number is 2. By 2 it can be divisible. 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 1 2 5 ja 10 or 2 6 ja 12. If you are not able to do like me, you can do in rough column. You just do the division and whatever quotient is coming, then write step by step, move according to that. Okay, now see that 2 2 ja 4, then 2 1 ja 2, 2 7 ja 14 or 2 8 ja 16. Again by 2, 2 1 ja 2. In one division is not possible, so 0 will come here. 2 8 ja 16, 1 2 8 ja 16. Okay, now again further by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8 and 2 4 ja 8. Then by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14 or 2 2 ja 4. Okay, then by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6 or 2 6 ja 12. Then by again 2, 2 6 ja 12. Okay, 13 is there, 1 will come as remainder, or 2 8 ja 16. Okay, further by 2, 2 3 ja or 2 4 ja. Okay, then by 2, 2 1 ja or 2 7 ja 14. Now 17 itself is a prime number, so directly 17 it will be 17 1 ja 17. Okay, finally you will write your answer now here. In the right hand side I am writing. See that how you will write. 8712 is equal to, how many times 2 is come? 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 into 2 into 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or 9 or into 17. If you will multiply all these, you will get 8712. Okay, if you will multiply all these ones, you will get 8712. Now come to the next question. Come to the next question, beta. Okay, see now what is that? Difficult one I am doing, and then rest of the question you will do yourself. Okay, so now come to the which question and check your answer. Children, always I have seen that you are doing wrong prime factorization. First of all, not other by these number you will take as your for your division. Like many children are taking 9 4 6 also for here division. They are not prime number. Again I am repeating, they are not prime number, or only by the prime numbers you have to do division. Now in the last classes I taught you very nicely what are the prime numbers, and only because till that you don't know, you are unable to identify the prime numbers, you can't do the proper division. Okay, so better is that to do the take the prime numbers only. If you are taking the numbers like that, those are composite, like 9 by 9 you have taken for here division, then your total prime factorization is wrong. Why? Because its name is prime factorization, not composite factorization. If you are taking 9 and 6 and 4, the numbers like that, or 8, it means you are doing composite factorization. Okay, and composite factorization is not any topic in our mathematics. Better is that take the prime numbers only. And again I have written here what are the prime numbers, and in last class also when you were in class 5th I taught you there how you have to do, and again I am teaching you. Okay, now just go through the next number. One or two difficult numbers are there, so I am taking them, and after that you will do all the question yourself. Okay, see that now what is next question. Next question I am taking n part. Okay, and what is that n part? 26472. 26472. Okay, I am taking this number. It will be divisible by 2. See that now. 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja or 2 6 ja. Then by 2, 2 6 ja 12. Again by 2 6 ja 12. Okay, 2 1 ja 2 or 2 8 ja 16. Then by 2, 2 3 ja, 2 3 ja. In one division will not possible, so come 0 or 2 9 ja 18. And then by next number we can take 3. Now further by 2 division is not possible, so take 3. 3 1 ja 0 or 3 3 ja 9. Okay, now see that by what can be the next number. Now after checking I have seen that this 1103 is not divisible by any number. So what you can write here? 1103, because it is only also prime number. So 1103 1 ja 1103. So how you will write that? So children, don't be confused. If you are not able to, you are finding that any number is difficult now, so you check one by one each of the prime numbers, one by one each of the prime. And if you are seeing that by the after division that this is not divisible by any one of the prime numbers, then check in answer also that by which number it can be divisible. Okay, so don't be confused. No, check, and after check your answer also by whatever means 8712 suppose I have taken. Okay, then check it also that if I will multiply all these number we are getting 8712 or not. If we are not getting 8712 after multiplying all these numbers as I have written over here, okay, it means our prime factorization is wrong. इसका मतलब क्या है कि हमारा प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या हो गया है? रॉन्ग हो गया. तो फिर हमको उसको दोबारा से डिवीजन करके उसको चेक करना पड़ेगा. ओके, और व्हाट यू आर डूइंग कि आप उसको गलती रहने देते हैं. आप उसको चेक तो कीजिए कि आपके जो प्राइम फैक्टर्स हैं उनको मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद में वो नंबर आपको मिल भी रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है. ओके, नाउ सी दैट हियर व्हाट वी कैन राइट. इट इज़ डिफिकल्ट, सो आई हैव डन इट. ओके, नाउ सी दैट हाउ आई विल राइट. 26472 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1103. So it will be your answer. It will be your answer. Okay, one more part, O part I am doing, and that is 10304. Okay, now see that 10304. See that even number is there, so it will be divisible by 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10 or 2 2 ja 4. Again by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10, 1, 2 7 ja 14. Okay, 1 will remainder or 2 6 ja 12. Still by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 8 ja 16, and then also 2 8 ja 16. Then by 2, 2 6 ja 2 4 ja 2 4 ja. Okay, then by 2, 2 3 ja 2 2 ja 2 2 ja. Again by 2, 2 1 ja 2 6 ja or 2 1 ja. Okay, then by which number it can be divisible? It can be maybe directly divisible by 161, or whether we will check it. 161 is not coming in any table, so 161 1 ja 161. So how you will write? 10304 is equal to 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 into 161. Okay, so it will be your answer. Okay, Now see that, come to the question number 3rd now. Enough parts I have done. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. It is not difficult because prime factorization you have learned in earlier classes also. All the difficult question I have done, and rest of the question which are not which are simpler than these ones, you will do those question yourself and show me through the WhatsApp, and every child will do. And I am requesting the parents also, please see that whether your children are completing the given task or not. Okay, now come to the question number 3rd. Identify which of the following is a prime factorization, and how we can check it is a prime factorization. See that 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. You can see that all these are the prime numbers, 2 2 3 3, but 4 is not a prime number. Okay, 4 is a composite number, so 324 is not a prime factorization, so it is wrong. Okay, so in this way you will see that. Now see that 63, and how it can be that, how we can say that it is a prime factorization? First of all, whether we will check all the given numbers are prime numbers or not. Here we have decided only by seeing this 4 that these are not a prime numbers. Okay, so it cannot be a prime factorization. After, here all the numbers are prime, but you will check that whether by multiplying them you are getting 63 or not. See that 3 3 is 9, 9 7 is 63. It is correct. It is correct. Okay, now check it 96. 96 also you can see that in 96 4 is coming, and 4 is not a prime number, so it is not a prime factorization. You will write that this is not a prime factorization. Okay, 54, 2 into 3 into 9. 9 is not a prime number. 9 is not a prime number, so this cannot be a prime factorization. See that 74, 2 into 37. 37 is also a prime number, and 2 is also a prime number. Or 37, if you will multiply 2, you will get 74. So it is correct. So in this way your exercise number 3.6 has completed. So you will according to me, from my side it has completed. Now the rest of the question you will do yourself and you will complete them. Okay, and all the children, please, again I am telling you, as I taught you here also, why these are not prime factorization. Same, during while you are doing the prime factorization also, you select only the prime numbers. The number which I have given on the first page, on the top I have written, those are the prime numbers. By only those number you will do the division. Okay, just enough for today. Thank you, and Jai Gurudev to all of you, beta.